For 2 years, the race in AI was simple: build a bigger model and top the benchmarks. In the last few weeks, 2 labs placed the opposite bet, that the best AI is no longer one model at all, but a system that coordinates many. They shipped it 10 days apart, and they did it in completely different ways. Here is the timing that matters. On June 12th, the same week, the US government pulled Claude Fable 5 offline. OpenRouter launched Fusion. 10 days later, on June 22nd, Sakana AI shipped Fugu. Both promise frontier-level results by orchestrating other models. Let us break down each, then put them head-to-head. Start with OpenRouter Fusion. OpenRouter already runs the largest marketplace of AI models, hundreds of them behind one API. Fusion is the layer on top that makes them work together. You send one prompt, and instead of picking a model, Fusion puts several of them on the problem at once. The mechanism is a panel. Fusion fans your prompt out to a group of models in parallel, each one able to search the web as it works. A judge model then reads every response and pulls out where they agree, where they contradict, and what each one missed. Finally, a synthesizer, Claude Opus 4.8 by default, writes the single grounded answer from that analysis. Does a panel actually help? On DRACO, a 100-task deep research benchmark, Fable 5 alone scored 65.3. Fable 5 fused with GPT 5.5 hit 69. Even fusing Opus 4.8 with a second copy of itself jumped almost 7 points over solo Opus. The panel beats the individual. The trade is cost. You pay for every model on the panel, so a 4-model run costs 4 completions. OpenRouter's answer is budget panels, cheap models fused to reach Fable-level quality at roughly half the price. And they are honest about the limits. Fusion is not a coding model replacement, and they have not tested it on long, multi-step tasks, which is exactly where Fable still leads. Now, Sakana Fugu. It aims at the same goal from the other end. Where Fusion is a pipeline you assemble, Fugu hides all of that inside what looks like a single model. You call one endpoint, and Fugu itself decides what to do. The twist is that Fugu is a model trained to orchestrate. It learned when to answer a prompt directly, when to assemble a team of expert models, how those agents should communicate, and how to verify and combine their work. It can even call other copies of itself, recursively. The routing is not a script you write, it is baked into the model's weights, built on Sakana's Trinity and conductor research. Fugu ships in 2 sizes. Plain Fugu is tuned for low latency, the everyday coding, review, and chat work where speed matters. Fugu Ultra coordinates deeper pools of experts for the hardest multi-step problems, trading speed for maximum answer quality. And on coding, Sakana's numbers are loud. On SWE Bench Pro, Fugu Ultra reports 73.7%, ahead of Claude Opus 4.8 at 69.2, GPT 5.5 at 58.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro at 54.2. If those hold up, an orchestrator just beat the frontier models it orchestrates. Sakana also wraps Fugu in a bigger pitch, sovereignty. Because it routes across many providers, no single vendor can shut it off. They point straight at the Fable and Mythos export controls as proof that leaning on one lab is now a real risk. Their word for the fix is collective intelligence. So here is the real split. Both coordinate models, but the philosophy is opposite. Fusion is explicit. You see the panel, you can swap the models, the judge and synthesizer are steps you control. Fugu is learned. The orchestration is invisible, trained into one model you simply call. They are also aimed at different work, which is easy to miss. Fugu leads on SWE Bench Pro, so it is built for engineering and agentic coding. Fusion's own benchmark is deep research, and OpenRouter openly says it is not for coding. So this is less a duel and more 2 tools for 2 jobs. Fugu for building, Fusion for researching. Notice what both of them leaned on, the Fable 5 shutdown. Fusion pitched Fable-level intelligence for cheap in the same week Fable went dark. Fugu pitched a system no government directive can pull. The disruption that took a frontier model offline became the launch window for the layer above it. The short version. Reach for Fusion when you want transparent, controllable deliberation on a research or analysis question, and you are fine paying for a panel. Reach for Fugu when you want one model that quietly handles orchestration for coding and agent work, and you value a single API overseeing the gears. Step back, and the pattern is bigger than either product. For years, the frontier meant one thing: whose model is smartest. These two launches, 10 days apart, point somewhere else. The edge is shifting from whose model is smartest to who combines them best. Orchestration is becoming the product. The next race may not be about which model you use. It may be about which conductor.